What are different things that people do that hurt their DUI case? Attorney Brian Sloan says, obviously, doing drugs will hurt their case, and drinking too much alcohol and getting behind the wheel can hurt their case. It's mainly giving the officers evidence to use against them, and that can happen in the form of admitting to things. Admitting to how much alcohol was consumed, or what prescription medications were taken, or what drugs were taken. It can also come in physical forms, where the officer will very likely attempt to administer what's called a field sobriety test. One of them is going to be an eye test. There's a few of them where you have to walk a straight line, or stand on one leg, or stand with your feet together, and tilt your head back and start counting. Sometimes they'll do a finger test. Sometimes they'll do a finger-to-nose test. These are all tests that the officer is trying to use to determine whether you're impaired by alcohol or drugs or vapor-releasing substances. But they're all tests that you are not required to do. But that is much better than actually doing a field sobriety test, where most people do not have the balance required to properly do these tests. And yet, because they don't have the balance in their everyday lives, they cannot do these tests, whether they were drunk or sober, or on drugs, or taking prescription medications, or not taking the prescription medications. The prosecutor will always attribute their failure to do these tests on drug or alcohol use. For a free consultation, call Attorney Brian Sloan at 602-357-8980 or visit their website at www.arizdui.com.